Welcome! I'm Lockie, a Microsoft technical trainer specializing in Microsoft 365 Copilot. In this video, we'll showcase how Copilot Chat is embedded in Microsoft 365 apps, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and Outlook to help you achieve fast, high-impact results without leaving your workflow. Each demo will highlight how Copilot Chat accelerates productivity, even for users without a Copilot license. Let's dive in. I've already drafted a risk assessment report. Now, let's craft a strong opening, right in Word. Even without the full Copilot license, Copilot Chat is available on the right side of the screen. It understands the open file, so I can ask for help in context. I'll type, write a compelling intro paragraph for this document. Copilot quickly drafts an intro aligned to the content of the document. I can adjust the tone or length of the follow-up, but this looks good. With one click, I insert the content. No copy-paste needed. Copilot accelerates the start while I retain voice and quality. In under a minute, we went from blank to polished intro, without even leaving Word. Great presenters anticipate great questions. My presentation is nearly ready, and I'm getting set to deliver it live. To prep, let's use Copilot Chat in PowerPoint to anticipate the questions I might be asked. I'll type, what are some potential questions I might be asked by the audience? Copilot returns thoughtful, on-topic questions, exactly what an engaged audience might ask. It even offers to create a Q&A slide. I can take that next step if I want. In seconds, I get a sense of what I might be asked, so I'm prepared for the discussion, not just the slides. Let's use Copilot to find the signal in this product sales data, right in Excel. I'll type, share the top insights and trends of this data and create a visualization. Copilot surfaces what decision makers care about. It recommends the right chart for the pattern. And in seconds, I know what's happening and how to show it, without building formulas. You no longer need to be an Excel expert. Copilot can analyze your data and build formulas for you. Let's quickly bring our team up to speed on the latest thread, right from Outlook. Copilot Chat is available in the pane, even without a full Copilot license. It understands the open thread and can summarize it for us. I'll type, write a recap email for my team based on the discussion in this email thread. Copilot instantly drafts a recap email, including a clear subject and a summary of the discussion. I can send this as is or make quick edits to personalize the message. In seconds, everyone's aligned. No wasting time on each email. With all of the time you save, you can now focus on other tasks. Thank you for watching. We hope this inspires you to use Copilot Chat in your daily workflow to save time and boost productivity across the Microsoft 365 apps.